Of course, whatever we do in the company, if it is a medical device or a non-medical device, it is always having the same standard. My company is having the standard of 13485, 216. This is the newest norm we have for medical equipment. Normally you have to fulfill this norm at the end of 2019, at the middle of 2020. So all our devices are in this project and approved. So we have a new safety test which is called 6601, and we have new medical clinical evaluation which is on the newest standard. That means we must have responsibility on the market, we must have a pre-market research if there are other devices who are making trouble, or if there's any risk for the client. I think from the risk side we are one of the best on the market. Generally the certification have a little bit changed, and at the moment you have a 2 Class A certificate. This means you get a CE with a number, and then you know that it is a medical device. All medical devices are certificated as MDD, but this will change at the end of the year. It will change to MDR, Medical Device Regulation. That means there must be a risk management behind. Every authority will exactly know if I have calculated all possibilities that something can happen to the client. Of course, we have this standard, and we are working now for the new test device, so that we are also getting this. 2 are already done, 1 is in process, but it is also done. So it is only a time of the authorization to get the letter, and this is out of our focus. When you are doing clinical research with a non-clinical device or non-conventional clinical device, it is very difficult, because the rules normally to do a study is you must have a golden standard. That means you have to do a double-blind study. But when we are talking about physiology, every person is unique, so this is not working in this way. We did it in another way. We did studies on a group of people, so like 800 children who are at school, who are normally medical non-accepted, so everything is fine to them. And we checked 2 or 3 parameters to see if they are really having the healthy state. Then we saw that there is something wrong. We called them back to the medical department. We did the medical research on them, and then we found that there is something wrong. And this was, in our case, the clinical approval. Another study we did was at a rehabilitation center. More than 500 clients are staying in the center, and we proved with lab tests, with X-ray, whatever, if the diagnostic we found with our machine is also existing in other machines. So by this way, I think we did it. And the whole basic of the machine is bioimpedance, and bioimpedance is well accepted all over the world.